Hello, infant and child development class members. This is your instructor, George Martinez, and I'm making an effort to show you how to access the ebook through the Launchpad. You'll start off by going into the class, and even I had some issues with this, and then you'll scroll down to Launchpad. And what I'm going to do is put this in the student preview mode, so this would be the same for you as well. So this will show you how I've been able to access the Launchpad. It is somewhat sketchy at times. Also, you'll have to do your pop-up blockers if you would, and allow it to show you'll turn off your pop-up blockers, in other words. Now, I was able to access it the first time right now, but earlier I had to go in a couple of times and just enter an email address and a password before it would let me in. You can see here on the screen the information, the assignments. I'll show you the ebook. The first two assignments, of course, your extra credit item that's open weekly for the What's New in the World of Infant and Child Development. I've also put this in Blackboard just in case people weren't able to access this one, but we'll only use one or the other. We won't use both. I put a survey item, so whatever the majority prefers, we'll use that. Also, your quiz, it will be in Launchpad. So you'll need to figure this out at some point, because that's where your quizzes will be located. And then your discussion board topic, number 1, it's here, but it's also in Blackboard. And again, we'll decide which location we prefer as a group. Also, your ebook on the left-hand side of the page, you just click on that. It gets you to each chapter. And you can see your outlines. Again, you just click on each section. And you can see it takes a little while to load up, but other than that, it's fine. There's your book. Okay, and you can just click on different sections. Or you can just scroll through the pages. Okay, so again, hopefully you're able to figure this out. I'm going to go back again and show you one more time. And again, it's in student preview mode, so it should work. I'm going to try it. Maybe let me try something else. I'll try it again. I think once you are able to access it, then from that point forward you should be fine. Yeah, once you're able to access it, then you're fine. I'm going to try it as an instructor and see if that allows me to show you the screen that I was talking about. And it may. Let's see. Okay, no, it's working fine now. But again, on the right hand side, beside the section that asks you for an access code, it just asks for an email address and a password. And I think you can set up your own password and call it, set it up however you'd like. Anyway, give those things a try, and if they don't work, just contact me and let me know that as well. Thanks.